Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Amirul Arif bin Zul, nomor metric number 055718. Today I will explain and show how to set up webswing in the Oracle server. And then after that we will add an Java application in the webswing, and we will run the application in the webswing. The first thing we want to do is we will access root in our server. After that, we will install the OpenJDK 11. Okay. After done installing JDK 11, we will check the version to make sure that the version of JDK is installed. After that, we will create a path for the JDK and for Java Home. After that, we will install all the necessary things for webswing. We will install all the dependency and everything that need to be installed for the webswing. After we done installing all of that, now we will download the webswing. We will using the webswing version 21.2.4. After that, we will extract the webswing. We will unzip the webswing. So before we unzip, we will make sure that we have the unzip installed in the server, in the Ubuntu. In here I already unzipped the webswing, but I unzip it again, so I just have to uh, agree to replace all the webswing. After unzipping the webswing, now we will locate the webswing folder that we already extracted. In here I tried to access the webswing in the Ubuntu, but there are no webswing in Ubuntu file. The webswing in Amirul file, in my server file. So we will access the webswing. So we will access the webswing folder, and we will access the webswing.config. We will access webswing.config, and we will change the admin console URL from localhost to the public IP from my server. Then we will save and we will exit. After that, we will enter the admin directory in the webswing directory. In here, we will editing the webswing admin properties. In here, we will change the change word from change, and we will just or before that we will change the localhost to our public IP from our server. And then we will change the change word to something else. Just want to make sure it's not the same. So we save and exit. And now we will try to run the webswing plus admin.sh, and then we will check the status of the webswing to make sure it's really running, and it's running. Now I can access the webswing from my public IP. By adding the active port. And when we in the webswing, we will go to manage. Webswing need to be logged in. I already logged in, so it automatically instantly bring me to the menu. So when we go to manage, we will access the admin. It takes some time to loading. So in here, we will add a Java application that we already created. So we will click add application and add new application, and we name it my project. And after that, we will edit the home folder to the we will before that we need to insert the Java application in our server. So we need to access tiny file manager, and we go to the webswing folder that I already created, and we upload the Java application in here. So the Java application. After the upload done, we can uh, edit the file directory. So working directory, we change it to webswing from our server, and we're going to change the main class for the project. Okay, so we change home folder to the file directory from our server, and we check the main class of our project. Okay, and then we will add the class path. style.jar. Apply, and then we go to web config, where the web home folder we change it to the webswing from our server, and security module name we change it to none. We change security module name to none, so every time people want to access this project, they did not need to enter username or password. Then we run, enable the application. Then we try to run it from our browser. Okay, starting application, session ended. So we will try to double check all everything that we need to edit, we need to change. Check the home folder, working directory, class path, and everything. Main class is still the same. Okay, let's try again and see if it's still not working. Okay, this is probably because of the server using JDK11, and probably my NetBeans did not compile the Java application with JDK11. So now I already changed the JDK to JDK11. I uploaded the new one, so everything already double checked that I already, and when I run it, it should be able to run the application. Okay, this is my application, and this is the first interface. This is the second interface, and then there will be the third interface, which is a picture of the best class for this game. And then there are my fourth interface, which is a character that in this game. It takes some time to load since it's a big picture. Then we can close it. Then this is the character in the game. This is the sixth interface. This is six. This is seven, and this is the last interface. Okay, that's all. We close, the session ended. We can create new session, and it will open the application bed in the start.